Today I'm going to make a fast, easy one-pot meal using my Instant Pot pressure cooker. I'm going to make these shells. I have some leftover sausage, which I don't know why I ended up with leftover sausage. I usually eat it all. Some cheese for the end. Jar of sauce, regular sauce, any kind you like, any kind you have. And about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. So easy. Throw it all in there, push the button. Let me show you. This is pasta Regia, gomito rigati, tempo di cotra, made in Italy, pasto di semola. Alright, well, we call them shells. Whatever kind of pasta you happen to have, or whatever kind you like. This is a little over a pound because it's metric. I can't figure it out. 500 grams, 17.6 ounces, alright. Well, it's about that much. But I have these leftover sausage patties that I told you about. Just going to chop them up a little bit. Put them in, that's going to be a nice meat sauce. Just chop them up like that. Whatever you have around the house, you know. They're going to be good. Boy, they smell good too. Put them. I'm going to put them in the bottom first. No reason. So easy, isn't it? You can do it. It's going to take 7 minutes under pressure. And by the time somebody gets home, you're going to have a nice meal here for you. I'm going to break these up nicely so they're incorporated in the sauce. I don't mind big chunks. Oh, be a nice sausage meat sauce. Whatever else what you want to add in here. I was looking for mushrooms. I thought we had some in there, but I don't see any. Or whole tomatoes. Anything like that. It's going to be scrumptious. This is a regular 1 pound 8 ounce, 24 ounces of sauce. Any kind of sauce you like. If you can open it. Oh, got it. Put that in there. Put about a half a cup of water in just to rinse off the jar. Shake it around. Shake that up. Pour that in. The cheese is for the end. Add your pasta. Stir it up. This is okay. You just want it wet, you know. Maybe you can add a little more. Could add another jar of sauce to make it thicker. Or water. Out of the jar again. It's always better leftover too, you know that, right? It's going to be good. And another little shot of water in there. Perfect. Oh, look how easy this is. Now I'm going to cut this garlic up. A few cloves. 4 or 5 cloves. However you like it. If you put it in whole, the pressure will make it very nice, smooth texture. You might not even see it sometimes. But you'll taste it. Nothing like it. Good. What a good supper this is going to be. Good enough? Put that into your pot. I'm trying to hold the camera. I got it. Mix that up a little more. Look at it. Perfect ratio of meat to noodles to sauce to garlic. Want something else in there? Pepper, salt, whatever other kind of secret ingredients you have. I'm going to save this delicious cheese for when the pressure's done, and I'm going to put it on there and it's going to melt throughout. It's going to be delicious. All right, let's put our lid on. And remember, you could use any kind of pressure cooker. It doesn't have to be an Instant Pot. You know that by now. right? Hey, what's Ralphie doing back there? See him? See Ralphie? I shot my eye out. Okay, make sure you're in pressure mode on the top here, which I am. Plug it into the wall, would usually help. So easy, it's so easy. Manual, 5, 6, 7 on high pressure, and that's it. Some of your pressure cookers you might have to start, but this one's gonna go. Okay, let the pressure build up, maybe 8 or 10 minutes, depending. And then count down from 7 minutes on high pressure, and it's going to be a delicious supper. When somebody comes home, they're going to be surprised that supper was already made. You can leave it on keep warm for a few hours too if people come home at different times. Okay, I'll show you when it's done. Wow, 1 minute left. It smells so good in here. There it is. Let's let the pressure out. Heard the pin drop in the back. That means it's safe to open. You want to see it? I want to see it. It smells so good right now. Oh, look. Let me give that a stir and add my cheese. Oh yeah, look. Mmm. Oh. Add a little bit of cheese. Stir it up. And add a little more. It's going to melt with that heat right there. And when she or he comes home from a hard day of work, you're going to have a nice meal here that you prepared with one pot. Easily. That cheese is all inside there. I don't even have to cover it up, it's going to melt. But I'm going to cover it up. Now it goes into the keep warm mode anyway, so you can leave it until they come home. Or you can taste it on your own. I have some homemade bread that I made yesterday. We butter that up, that's going to be perfect with it. I'll show you, I'm going to spoon it out into my bowl. I can't wait no longer. Let's look inside. I know it's ready. Oh, doesn't that look good? It sure does. Let me put some in my bowl. Okay. Delicious homemade buttered bread that I just buttered. See it? Oh, look at them chunks of sausage in there. Look at this. Isn't that a nice supper to come home to? Cheese is all throughout. Perfect texture. Love it so much. Put a piece of bread there. You got it made. I'll taste it for you. I happen to have a fork handy. Oh, I got sausage and cheese and pasta. Perfect. Oh, perfect. That's going to be a nice supper. Okay, thanks for watching. Try this in your pressure cooker, whatever brand you have. Easy, fast, one-pot meal. Make yourself happy or make your whole family happy. Please subscribe for more delicious recipes like this and a lot of other stuff, you know. All right, have a nice night. I'll talk to you soon. It's good.